What's up YouTube, Thatsneakerguymia back with another video. In today's video, we finally got our hands on the earth brown slides. So basically the earth brown slides is this right here, but in the brown colorway. Alright, so I did get this from adidas.com, super easy to get. So if you wanted a pair, I'm pretty sure you were able to cop. Now ever since I actually saw the man himself, Kanye, wear that slide, I knew I had to get it. Now before I show you guys the slide, sizing on this slide is super weird. Everybody says go up in size from your half size. So if you're, let's say, a 10.5, you want to go to 11. If you're a size 10, you still want to go with the 11. I actually like to go down in size because I don't like having no room in my slides whatsoever. So I'm usually a size 8, 8.5, around there, 7.5. But I actually got this in a size 7 because I do not like having no room. Okay, super dope. Here you guys have it, earth brown. Here you go. Super sick. I actually love this colorway. Actually, I feel like it could go with a lot of different outfits. Now, a lot of people say these are ugly. You guys know me, I don't care what people think. If I like it, I'm gonna get it. Now let's actually compare them to the one that I've actually been wearing, the resin colorway. Now guys, let's talk about the past Yeezy releases. We saw the 380 Mist, did not cop. I copped the 700 V3 Alva, tried to cop, didn't look out. Phosphor, did pay resale for those. See a video coming in the near future, maybe sometime next week. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Thatsneakerguymia signing out.